So today I'm going to show you guys how to do solving systems of equations by using elimination method. So the first system we have here is right here with the negative 4x minus 2y equals negative 12. 4x plus 8y equals negative 24. Now, notice how I have similar equations right here for my x value, or similar coefficients, I should say, negative 4 and positive 4. Right. My goal here is to eliminate either the x's or the y's. Okay. Either eliminate the x's or the y's. So what I would see is what equation I can change to make the x's go away or make the y's go away. So first off here, I already have opposite x values. So I don't have to do anything to these equations. So I just add them together. All right. So each time you're going to put the equations or add the equations together. So negative x or negative 4x plus 4x is just 0. Negative 2y plus 8y is positive 6y. And then if I add these two constants together, negative 12 and negative 24, I should get negative 36. Okay. So I'm left with 6y equals negative 36. And we should know to solve that, you have to divide by 6. And y would give you negative 6. So I have my y value. All right. Now, I could take this y value and plug it into either equation or substitute it into either equation. I'll pick the first one. All right, I'll plug it into that first one. So negative 4x minus 2 times negative 6 equals negative 12. All right, so I'll have negative 4x plus 12, because negative 2 times negative 6 is positive 12, equals negative 12. Subtract 12. Subtract 12. Notice how I have to subtract because this is positive. Subtract 12 from both of those. This will cancel, and I will have negative 4x equals negative 24. Divide by negative 4, divide by negative 4, and you will get x equals 6. And I could substitute x and y into both equations to make sure they work, and they should work, right? So my point of, or my solution for both of these would be 6, negative 6. Okay, this is where those two lines cross. Now, you can pause and rewind these videos, so if I'm going too fast, I apologize, but I have a short amount of time. So here, we could eliminate the x or the y, but notice they don't have the same number this time. Well, actually, this one does, but they don't have the same sign here. So what would be easy would be to multiply this whole equation here by a negative 1. And that way I could have a positive 9 and a negative 9, and they would add together. All right, to cancel out. Because my whole goal is to eliminate it. So this would now change to positive 4x, right? Because I'm multiplying all of these by negative 1, plus 9y equals positive 23. And I just bring that equation up here. I just bring that over. I don't do anything to that. All right, now I can add them together. Because if I add them together, these two would cancel out. And my line just went all through my equation. All right, these two cancel out, and I have 2x equals, what is that, 2? Negative 25, oh, negative 2. Negative 25 plus 23 is negative 2. Divide by 2, divide by 2. X is negative 1. Now I have my x, I can just plug it into, let's choose that one. Negative 4 times negative 1 minus 9y equals negative 23. This is 4 minus 9y equals negative 23. What would that be? Subtract the 4. Subtract the 4. Negative 9y equals negative 27. Divide by negative 9, and you would get a positive 3. So my point is negative 1, 3. And let's see if we got time to do one more. I hope so. That's my point for that. Here we have 3 and a 9, or we could do the x. It doesn't matter which one. I can multiply this by 4, or I can multiply this one by